So we are going to measure ½ inch first after drawing our straight line on our leader. Then after measuring ½ inch, you measure 3½ inch, 3½ inch, then followed by another ½ inch measurement, followed by another ½ inch. So we're going to do that into 2 places. So after that we measure another 3½ inch, another 3½ inch, and after that we measure another ½ inch. The ½ inch is what we're going to fold in to trim the edges. So we are done with the measurement. Let's make them lines. After cutting it out, apply your gum and then fold that ½ inch measurement towards each other. So after doing that, attach your landing. And the next thing we are going to do is to stitch. So we have done the stitching. Now we are going to cut off the excess lining. Fold your pattern into 2 equal parts. Locate the center. Remember the length of the pattern is 12 inch. So place it on your last this way, and then you cut off the excess material. So use rubber band here and then a nail here to hold the sole to your last, and then you last the pattern. Before the lasting, make sure you roughen the surfaces of the sole, that is the insole and the sole, before your lasting. Then apply your gum, heat it up, that's a chemical gum, then couple the footwear. After the coupling, use super glue to hold this part, the side, to the insole. It will make the footwear to have a good shape. So as you're doing that, make sure you do it carefully to have a neat result. So now we are going to attach our badge. So you place the badge on the pattern. So make sure you place it at the center. Make sure it's at the center, and then you use your marking pen to mark out, that is, draw it out on top of the pattern. So you can see it. So now we're going to apply gum on it, but before then you measure from the side of the pattern and then transfer it to this one that you have not drawn. So this is where you have to start. You are doing this to make sure that it is a uniform place. So you start from that point and then place the badge, and also repeat the same process. So after that, you use your brush, a tiny brush, to carefully apply gum based on the mark on the pattern. That is the drawing on the pattern. So you're going to do this carefully. Make sure you don't exceed the lines so that you will have a neat finishing after the whole process. So now you follow your drawing as you install the badge. Do it carefully to avoid mistake. So you see what we have? It's in place now. So now we're going to use our cotton board, then our neutral polish to clean off the silver pen along the badge. So we're going to do that to make sure everything is clean and neat. So this is what we have arrived at. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates, because more videos are still coming on the way. So you see it is very simple. Have a nice day, and see you in our next video.